You'll notice I made the circuit considerably larger, but it's the same basic circuit because there's again a single light bulb, a cell, and a switch, and then wire. I've added some more wires for various reasons, but you'll notice that I've set things up such that there is a middle segment here, which we'll be making use of, but let's make sure that it still works the way it's supposed to. So I close the switch, and you notice we've still got the counterclockwise electron movement. We still have the light bulb as bright as it was before. So having said that, I'm sure you've run into that as well, where you're trying to get something to happen and it actually moves the circuit. So now what I'd like you to do is play around with the contents of the grab bag. You notice in the grab bag that there are these, looks to be about 7 different items that you can choose, like a dog. You notice there's a dog, and the dog does have electrons in it, and it's got 2 ends to it. So what you could do is you could come here and get rid of that central piece of wire and then move the dog such that one end of the dog went there and the other end of the dog's down here. So now I have this completed circuit through the dog, and then you could throw the switch and see what happens. So what I'd like you to do is to go ahead and do this same sort of activity with all of the items that are in the grab bag and see if you can make any observations as to what works, what doesn't, and then you can figure out why it works and why it doesn't. Enjoy.